This time, I'll be doing a tutorial on how to do Panda nail art. You will need these polishes. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. And now you will paint your nails green. You will use the white polish for the panda's face. You will use the black polish for the nose, eyes, and ears. Use the white polish for the sclera of the eye. And the black for the iris of the eye. This is what they look like when they're done. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.